Tayo pa nagbabalik sa panibagong video to kung saan maglalaro nga po tayo ng panibagong game na pinangalanang short horror game. So baka nga po natin simulan ng video na to kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe. Abay, mag-subscribe ka na. Invite natin hindi naka-online yung kapatid ko na isa. So kami muna dalawa. So halika rito, Kendra. Dito tayo sa Lockturn Lockout. The Night Shift Janitor. Dito tayo. Dito tayo. Ayan. Player 2. Dito tayo. Dito. Bilis! Yan na par, let's go, this is it. Tapos ganito kayo makapagkasama mo yung kapatid mo. Iwan mo siya. Yan par, dito muna tayo par. Iwan na natin siya. Malis ako, Dra. Ay, nakita niya ako. Oh my goodness. Time. Let's go. Teleporting. The Night Shift Janitor. Oh my goodness. Loading the game. Alam niyo yung yung medyo sanay ka na sa mga horror game kaya hindi rin natatakot pero yung kapatid mo diyan ka makagulat. Ayan na. Short horror games by Creative Horror. Ay, ito tayo nanonood kami. Ano nangyari niyan? Man, I really need to find a new job. I've been struggling since I get fired from Pizza Plus. Story na naman. There are not many places here in Itzag. Oh my goodness. Well, blooming, we have just a solution. It's your cleaner, work on night shift. We offer all our pay and okay working conditions. Remote call you want. Apply now. Sa feeling ko yung pag-apply ko dito yun yung nakakatakot eh. I should apply there. That job sounds perfect actually. Talaga lang Hindi ka ba natatakot after seeing the commercial you decide to apply and be assigned on the first night shift position at Bob's Clean? Feeling ko ito na yan. Dito na mag-i-start yung kalbari yung Bob's. Nakasakay tayo par. Bob's Cleaning will do it right. Night shift janitor. Oh my goodness, this is it. Alam niyo, nakaka-enjoy maglaro ng horror game kapag smooth yung cellphone. Kaya ganito. Ayun na par. Let's go. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is it. Ano? Kaya mangyayari. We are here. We are parking. So at least dalawa kami ngayon. Hindi na matatakot. Dalawa kami. Time for my first job. And the description says I just need to do some cleaning at this confident. Ayan. Dalawa naman kami. Oh. Okay, so we need grab from one. So we need to grab some supplies sa van. Okay. Ito, I have map. Mag-map na po ako. Explore the gas station. Halika dito, Dra. Explore natin yung gas station. Dito, huwag ka matakot. Balak, ikaw mag-isa mo dyan. Iwan kita dyan. Bye-bye. Dito. I shall start by cleaning the shopping section. Dito. Bisa mo. Sinara mo yung pinto?
Hindi ko lang.
Hindi mo sinara. Sara mo. Check job into inventory. Wait lang ha. Check lang yung inventory dito. If ayos or hindi. Okay, may baril ako dito. Ay, may bayad yung baril.
Ba't may talag ka?
Hindi, may bayad. Kala ko. Check the job info in... job info. Wait lang, check mo yan. Job in inventory. Dito tayo. Saan yung info? Ba, di ko alam. Saan yung info?
Tulog.
Saan yung info, par? Saan yung job info? Magkano to?
Tulog ko yan.
Check the job info in inventory. Ano to? Wait, what? Di ko rin alam paano. Hindi ko gets. Wait lang. Wait lang. How supposed to do? Check the job info. Saan yan? Dito? Wait lang, balik ako guys, no? Tagal kong ngayon nanap sa inventory lang pala. Okay. So, kaya maglilinis na ako, alright? Oh, we need to clean now.
Okay.
Tara, maglinis ka na. Maghiwalay ka, hindi tayo dapat magkaano. At least, naugasan natin lahat-lahat. Ay, map. Ay, cleaning ear. Yung mismo. Ay, may monster! Oh my goodness! Nakita ko yung kuya! Wala na, Tra.
Saan?
Sabi ko sa'yo, sara mo yung pinto. Nakapasok siya. Hindi, diyan ka lang.
Nakita mo?
Huwag ka matakot. Maglinis ka lang. Ikaw maglinis doon sa labas.
Paano ba to?
Wait lang, kukunin ko yung ano.
Cleaning.
Inventory. Cleaning solution. Ito. Tabi.
Hindi ko man. Ay.
Nalinis na.
Oh. Dito pa ako.
May nakita ko nina guys doon sa ano. Alam niyo yung nakakatakot yung game kasi kung ikaw lang mag-isa mo talaga nakakatakot. Pero kapag dalawa kayo, kaya niyo naman siya.
Ice cream.
I think I shall get the bathroom done next. So dito na tayo par. I can labas sa summer. Try ikaw dito sa labas, ikaw magbantay dito. Dito ka. Ako na dito maglinis. Ayun na bathroom key. Alam ko na yung bathroom key nandito. Ayan. I gonna sing something. I'm getting tired. Okay, ako ko'y susi ngayon.
Saan mo lang?
Can I open the bathroom? Hindi yan bathroom. Saan yung bathroom, bro?
Di ko alam.
Ito nakita ko na.
Yan. Open.
Ew! Dala dito ako sa labas kasi para may nagbabantay. Ew! What happened here? Oh my goodness. Doon ka sa labas, Dra. Dra ako ng bala dito.
Yan na dito.
Takot daw siya, so okay lang yan. Slow solution. Dapat dyan ka na lang sa labas. Doon ka sa pinto magbantay. First time niya kasi maglaro ng horror game, guys, kaya nakaganyan siya. Okay lang. Okay. The end of this fear is...
One left.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay na yan. For now, okay na yan. Sounds like it came from a back room. Oh my goodness. Feeling ko may lalabas.
Hindi ka pa.
In- Investigate the sounds. Oh, it was just a box. I was getting scared. Feeling ko kunin ko yung box. Opo, ako na po lahat ng gumawa ng ginagawa dito. Nanonood na lang po si Kendra ngayon. Alright. Oh my goodness. This is getting creepy. I think I was the last area I need to clean. Okay. Sara natin yung pinto, nakakatakot. Kailangan ko dito sa map. Okay, bahala ka na dyan daw. Doon ako. Map. Kailangan ko dito screening solution.
Yes.
Screening solution yung dyan, ta. Saan yung isa? I think that was all I need to do. May nakita ko dito dun sa labas. Like, oh my goodness, yan na. Yung sinasabi ko. Are you serious? And that power cut out? Dra, dito ka, Dra. Labas ka dyan. Hindi ka dyan dapat. I should probably fix before I leave. I don't want to clean to I think I caused this. Dra, lalabas tayo. The power box is outside somewhere, most likely. Oh my goodness. Find the electric box. Dra, kailangan natin. May flashlight ka, Dra?
Wala.
Oh my goodness. Ayun o. Doon ka sa huwag ka na. Ako na lang.
Okay.
Bantay mo yung likod ko. Tan. Oh my goodness, wait. What this? Some sort of note?
Wala ganun.
You really should be out this late. People have been going missing lately, you know? That's right. That's why we probably just came. Confidence I should get going. So be careful. Anong ibig sabihin? Enter the van and leave. Dra, bisa mo! Bisa mo, Dra. Alis tayo dito ngayon. May duwalis tingbo. Oh my goodness, nakakatakot tong game ito. Oh my goodness. Di pa yan tapos, par. Di pa yan tapos. Di pa yan tapos, par. May nakita kanina something eh. Dinner. This place looks latest. Oh my goodness. Ang dami natin kailangan tapusin, par. Grab the supplies. Tara, maglilis na tayo. Para matapos na to. Ba't tayo lalabas na to? Ay, dito. Hindi ko na sarado yung pinto. So, explore the dinner. We need to explore. Dito pwedeng buksan. Oh my goodness, nagulat ako. Dito, tara. I shall check this job info to start. Okay. Job info. I pay of vision. Okay. Na-check ko na. Anong gagawin ko kapag na-check ko na? Wait, what? Something alam mo yung nakakatakot siya. Wait lang. Na-check ko na eh. Oh. So, ngayon anong mangyayari? That's clean. What's meant to start by? Mag-clean na tayo ng table, dra. Para at least okay na. Ay. Solution yan, dra. Yung solution yung gamitin mo.
Saan mo ba nakuha ang solusyon?
Sa inventory. Huwag na, tapos ko na. Oh my goodness, nakakatakot dito. I just gives. Oh my god, I should clean up the bathroom next. Paano mo makiklean yung bathroom? Hindi nga mabuksan eh. Ayun na, hindi siya mabuksan. Dito na lang tayo. Ay, tara na, buksan mo. Good. Ano sana to? Uy! Something creepy na nangyayari dito, para medyo nakakatakot na siya. Hindi ka na nakakatuwa, kuya.
Saan ka?
May police.
Saan ka? Saan ka?
May police.
Saan ka ba?
Dito. May police dito. Oh my goodness, ano?
Hey, talk the officer.
Hey officer, is everything alright? Actually, I'm here to ask you same thing. Oh my goodness, napaka-creepy na mukha niyan. Okay. I feel people around town here missing. Oh my goodness, nawawala. Chief was been really worried about, and he been waiting for you. Mas nakakatakot to. Mas nakakatakot yung mukha mo sa... I will believe that missing people are dead, and we've not found anybody yet. The victims is all thing is... Oh my goodness, kuya. Describe some. We believe that whatever it is. Buksan mo yung pinto. Appearance of pursuit. Think. It gets to their mind. It make them do stuff any will be regular do. Anyways, excuse me my rambling. Oh my goodness. Have you seen anything strange going around here? Meron. Ayan. Well, now that you mentioned it, I keep getting glimpses figure knocking around me. I thought it was just seeing things, but sounds similar. It's pretty similar to whatever you are describing. Oh my goodness! I have gotten a good look at it, but it just visible operation every time I go to clean that. It was trying to attack you at all. Oh my god. No, it isn't just anything like that. Not yet at least. It is fully possible that was you're seeing is same thing that us, making people go missing. If you want to see it again, don't let say give me a call, and I'd like you briefly after you see it. We need to try to get things out and open before I flash again, so we can put an end to once and for all. Anyways, I should get going now. Oh my goodness, officer. Officer, maraming salamat po sa pag-alala, pero oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Very, very, very stressed of it. Ako'y nai-stress sa mga well, I guess I should get back to work. Talaga dapat balik tayo sa work. I check sa inventory now. So ngayon babalik na tayo sa work. I will just mean by Mr. Meat. Something strange, ah. Yan the Mr. Meat in the dyan. Saan yun ito? Ayun na, paano tayo pupunta doon? Ito yung Mr. Meat. Kadiri! Hey, what is that? Anong kailangan linisin dito? Kadiri, par! Sheesh! Niyan, par! Ano yan, open dito? The garbage. Pick up the garbage. Tara, labas tayo. Yung mga garbage nasa labas eh. Ito pala. Yung mga garbage, dara kunin mo. Nakuha ko na.
Downstairs. Saan? Dito.
Dito. Huwag ka na lumabas para safe. Nasa labas yun. Tara, labas tayo. Dito.
Saan ka ba narinig ko na?
Nasa labas yung dumpster eh. Bilisan mo.
Saan ko ba ito, bro?
Dito nga sa dumpster, oh.
Saan?
Tapos na yung akin. Tara na, bahala ka na dyan. Iwas. What was this na?
Bisan mo.
Pero dito na.
Straight shot.
Oh my goodness, sumakit yung ulo ko, guys. Itong laro na lang ito, nasumakit na yung ulo ko. Ay, ito yun, paro. Ano yan? May jump scare, dra?
Wait lang pa tayo.
Oh my goodness. Pero nga guys, sana nag-enjoy po kayo sa video na to. Maraming salamat sa panonood ninyo. Nag-game over po kami kagad. Ngayon sa muli, paalam.